is Cocoapods. Cocoapods is dependency manager for script and Objective-C cockroaches, and it has many libraries and framework. We can easy to use to import it to your project. Now, we will discover some library like this. This block you like segment control. You can switch and box up UI or message like message, and this the XL action controller. XL action controller. Yes, very beautiful. Now, let's start it. In Sonnet, now Cocoapods support xCode 7 and 8 until today. Now we will install it. If your Mac or Unix don't have a grill, you will install grill to install Cocoapods. To install grill, please view desirable. Yes, copy and paste. Install it. Install grill. First, we need install grills. Yeah. First, install grill. Second, we will install Cocoapods. Install Cocoapods. Copy this command and paste. Install it. But some OS version or some machine this will have an issue like this. Cocoapods is not respond. It's not downloading. To fix resolve issue, we will command C and try this command but pending RC V. Now it will work. Okay, install Cocoapods. Now, is the installing. We will create new project. Open file, new project, and use simple application and use any language you want to create in Cocoapods demo. Press done. Yes. Now, the first step, 3 steps, we will create new empty project or your project. Issue not respond. Issue not respond. Yeah. We have a new project. Now we'll open terminal and cd to this project. Yeah, we will back to root project, or we can run this. Remember, correct the root project contain the xcode project. Yeah, this is root project. cd. Yes. Now we call init. Init will create your file. Yeah. cd to root project init. Now open init and uncomment line. We will uncomment line. Yeah, if your framework, my framework is 9 or your framework 8, you can fill index and edit this file. This file will contain your box you want to install. Like this is sample file. We can import any box you want to install here. For example, I will install TM caching workdown. So we will save this file. Okay, now we will pod install. Now, not this step. Append your pod link and you want to install to Podfile and Save. Yeah, it's installing your library. Disney TM and drop down. When you type box install, it will install any box in here. Now, load your xcode project and open file workspace. Remember, workspace file contain your box project and your project. Box project to link to your project, and we can use the library you had in box file like tmcat. Now, symbol I use tm. I will import tmcat. After you, now I use tm diskette series dot it will build. Remember, link and build. It will help you link the project and it will build the box file you can run immediately. It will wait some minutes. Yes, it finishes. Now, on tm diskette dot series dot object for key, Cocoapods. We can use the case via POC. Thank you for watching. I will introduce more Podfile and Pod library. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks.